In this presentation, we are going to talk about the tools and techniques used for quality improvement, particularly about the Kaizen application, a Japanese word which means continuous improvement, at a certain company called Toyota. We are the group number 1 with the following members: Ancheta Angeline Joy Gorit, Asuncion Roda May Palino, Balucon Christine Pamela Neva.
So to start, I will be giving you the brief history of the company Toyota Automatic Loomworks. So it was in the year 1926 when Toyota Automatic Loomworks was founded by Sakichi Toyoda, a Japanese inventor and a businessman. His son Kichiro Toyoda began working in the family business right after he graduated and then sent to England and United States to further his education in manufacturing. When Kichiro was done and had returned to Japan, he made improvements to many of the company's looms and implemented techniques for eliminating waste in manufacturing, creating what became the just-in-time method. However, Kichiro had become increasingly interested in automobiles. He then asked Risaburo, his brother-in-law and president of the family company, since his father died in the year 1930, to fund an automotive development program and purchased a new Chevrolet to use as a benchmark. He then learned how the modern manufacturers were building their vehicles. It was 1934 when Kichiro and his team unveiled an experimental gasoline engine to Toyota's stockholders and persuaded them to fund a separate automotive design. The next year, they had produced a prototype which its engine was based on a Chevrolet design. It was called Model A1. These were sold under the Toyota name, but has changed its name to Toyota because it took 8 brush strokes to write a lucky number in Japanese culture and was visually simpler. The new name was trademarked in 1936, and now Toyota Motor Corporation was registered independently of Toyota Loomworks in the year 1937.
Toyota, up until now, holds a trademark or a big name in automotive industry. But before any success, they also experience failure or defects in their products first before becoming great in the industry. So, what are their initial processes, or what has been their observation that urged them to revise the steps they are doing? So, the scenario was like this. In their plant, where their workstations was placed, consists of 8 racks containing various parts for sun visors and seat belts. Let us now proceed to the previous process implemented. First step is the operator would look closer to the car coming up the line. This car is still not complete or geared up, so the operator now would go to the racks containing visors and seat belts, grab the right parts, and go back to the car and connect together the parts. The operators can do this process on a short period of time because the parts were already there, and that will they just do it. And what will they just do is to grab it from the rack. But the management then noticed that there are still defects where the sun visor or seat belt is not compatible with the model of the car. They have then identified that there are 12 possible combinations of sun visors and 9 variations of seat belts, so finding the right parts is already a job itself. 500 cars pass the racks in every shift, each car needing 4 specific parts, 2,000 opportunities to make error. They have achieved a rating of 99% of perfection, but take note, still have 1% left, and that equates to 5 cars per shift having wrong parts. It was just 1%, but it can have a great impact to the company's productivity.
Implementation of the tools and techniques used for quality improvement. The Toyota improve when the Kaizen is applied and it continues to improve. Kaizen help to improve the ways of work by eliminating the waste. Kaizen aims for improvements in productivity, effectiveness, safety, and waste reduction. It helps customers to be satisfied, less waste, improve teamwork, and as well as it improve problem solving. In Toyota, all members are always encouraged to participate in the development of ideas. This in order to create the best possible solution. Implementing Kaizen and developing a mindset of continuous improvement within an organization is also gradual and should be continuous.
I will be discussing the result after the application of tools and techniques used for quality improvement. As no process can ever be declared perfect, there is always room for improvement. One of the keys in Toyota's success is in its continuous improvement, invested in research and development. Every component of Toyota's materials handling equipment is designed with the customer in mind and incorporates exclusive and durable technologies. Toyota's SAS or system of active stability that offer improved safety and productivity. Toyota's a C-squared power system that gives impressive power to increase productivity. BT's power drive system that increase the drive system reliability, and the BT's tilting cab offering greater safety and reduces stress during each operation. TPS or Toyota Production System monitors production line in order to create improvement. Toyota also makes sure that the products are efficiently manufactured on demand.